Welcome to an immersive journey through time as we explore the rich and intricate history of Luxembourg. Our odyssey begins in the heart of Europe, where the diminutive yet historically significant nation of Luxembourg lies nestled. The striking castles that grace its landscape are not merely structures of stone, they are living testaments to Luxembourg's enduring history. The annals of Luxembourg's history reveal its evolution as a strategic fortress during the Middle Ages, ruled by prominent noble families, most notably the House of Luxembourg. Its favorable geographic location rendered it a coveted prize, prompting numerous European powers to vie for control. As we journey forward to the 17th century, Luxembourg found itself under the sway of the House of Bourbon, a pivotal part of the extensive Spanish Netherlands. This era witnessed the construction of formidable fortifications, which still bear witness to the nation's military heritage. The 19th century brought Luxembourg to the forefront of the diplomatic stage during the Congress of Vienna. It was granted to the House of Orange-Nassau, marking the birth of the independent Grand of Luxembourg and heralding a new chapter in its history. The Industrial Revolution swept across Europe, leaving an indelible mark on Luxembourg. Its transition from an agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse was catalyzed by the burgeoning iron and steel industries, propelling the nation into an era of economic prominence. Luxembourg's resolve was tested in the crucible of two world wars. Occupation and destruction scarred the nation, yet it was the unwavering spirit of its people that shone through the darkest hours, rebuilding their homeland and preserving their cherished heritage. The post-war era ushered in a new era for Luxembourg as one of the founding members of the European Union. Its pivotal role in shaping the continent's destiny underscores its commitment to peace, cooperation, and progress on the global stage. Today, Luxembourg stands as a vibrant and multicultural society, celebrating its diverse cultural heritage through a tapestry of vibrant festivals, a delectable culinary scene, and a thriving arts community. This cultural richness is both a testament to its past and a catalyst for its future. The Grand Ducal Palace, an architectural gem, stands as an enduring symbol of Luxembourg's monarchy. It is here that the Grand Duke and Grand Duchess continue to fulfill a ceremonial role, connecting the nation's history with its modern identity. Beyond its historical legacy, Luxembourg City serves as the epicenter of several key European institutions, including the European Court of Justice and the European Investment Bank. This not only solidifies Luxembourg's role within the European Union, but also reinforces its importance on the international stage. Luxembourg's contemporary economic landscape is characterized by a thriving financial sector, hosting numerous international banks and investment funds. This has cemented its reputation as a global financial hub, contributing significantly to its modern identity. Beyond the urban hustle and historical significance, Luxembourg boasts an abundance of natural beauty. Its lush forests, rolling hills, and the enchanting Ardennes region provide an idyllic backdrop to the nation's cultural richness. Luxembourg is a trilingual nation where Luxembourgish, French, and German all hold official status. This linguistic diversity reflects its rich cultural tapestry, openness to various influences, and its commitment to multilingualism. As we conclude our odyssey through Luxembourg's intricate history, we've witnessed its evolution from a medieval fortress to a thriving European nation. Luxembourg's remarkable journey is a testament to its resilience, cultural richness, and enduring in the heart of Europe. Thank you for accompanying us on this profound exploration of Luxembourg's captivating history. We hope you've gained a profound appreciation for this remarkable country. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and explore other videos on our channel for more in-depth journeys through history and culture. Until we meet again, farewell!